This is how I wake up to over $3,222,000, $21,000 profit today, all with the crypto AI agent trading bot, and over $44,721,000 in 7 trading days. If you check our accumulative PNL, 44,721 in 7 days. Imagine this. The most beautiful and interesting part of this is that all the installation is done with just a simple Telegram bot. Let's kindly check out the bot, how it look like. Here's the bot, Bybit trading bot. You can see some of our open positions right now. The one is not able to open position. Bybit trading bot, your ultimate solution for stimulus crypto feature trading. Please be aware, before you can start trading with the bot, you have to use our link to activate the bot in order to gain access to our community version. Kindly check the video description. You will see a link that will take you to the bot to sign up, and after you sign up, here is how it looks like. Let's check this out. If we check the bot here, you notice these are some of our open positions and some pair that is not able to open position. Let's check this out together. This particular one here, and these are some open positions. It opens, some of them it open with pending order, and yeah, this particular one here, it open, I think it's just pending order with this particular one. Let's check it out one by one, and here is this particular position here, just hit our take profit a few minutes ago. You can see this Bybit trading board, same board. This is the pair it trade. It used $770 to open position on this pair and come up with over $854 profit on just one position. Imagine this, just one position, over $800. And these are some other pair. This particular one here used only 1 point something dollars, and here again this particular one here hit over Argo says take profit. You can see this, it still used $770 to open position. This is the fee, the exchange charge, and how much profit it makes, over $1,571 on just one opportunity. This to show you the power of this AI agent crypto bot. Let's check this out. Let's see everything. These are some of the other positions. It's trading with small volume and is not able to open position on this particular pair. If you are trading with the bot, please note it's fine. And here's the bot settings. If you have not yet linked your exchange, it's going to show none. This particular one here, we link our Bybit. You can see here our Bybit showing, and this option here is where to turn off the bot. After you set up everything power, it's where to turn on, and here is where to put your trading volume. I'm using 770, which is just 1% of my account, and yeah, just 1% of my account, which is very fine. Oh, this position here that's closing on over 700, 800, 1000, just 1% of my account. And here is our trade alert. You know, the trade alert means that anytime it open position on your exchange, it will send you notification just like this. You know, you can imagine this. This is how simple and flexible the bot is. Let's kind of move to our mobile phone to see how to get this done without delay at all. At the same time, start making some money from the crypto market with this every trading day. We already know that everything is done with just our Telegram, right? You know, you just need your Telegram to get this done, and all we need to do, click on the link on this video description. It will take you to the bot here. I think this is my backtest account. As usual, you know, I always like to use my backtest account for tutorial video to avoid mistake. Yeah, and I've loaded $50 on this backtest account mainly for this tutorial to avoid mistake on my big account. You know, all you need to do after you sign up with the bot is to come over to this option here after you sign up, and here's our menu option to navigate the bot. You can see start, gate position, referrals, gate bot instance settings, right? So the first thing you need to do, first you have to activate the bot. You have to pay for the bot. It's a premium bot. You know, all you need to do to make the payment is to click on this option. So come over to the click on start. Right after you sign up with the bot successfully, click on start. Then you'll see this option here, buy license, right? Good. If we check here, you notice the bot is currently on $998 discount price, and if this is much for you, you really don't have enough, that's not a problem. You can reach out to us on WhatsApp, you know, and then you know, you notice these are all the available payment options. That means you are to use any of these crypto, right, currency to make payment. All we need to do, let's say USDT, which is regular, you tap on it, right, and then you select your network. You see we have TRC20, we have Ton, we have Solana. Let's say TRC20 is popular, tap on TRX, and then it would ask you to send you a code. If you have any promo code, just type the code or paste it and send it to the bot. It will automatically give you price. But if you don't have a code, you know, the price is currently 998. 998 point. You type the price here, and okay, let's say 98. You send it to the bot. It show invalid code because you don't have a code, and then it will automatically generate invoice for you to make payment. All we need to do is to copy the address here. You can just copy the address, copy like this, and possibly you can paste this back, and just copy the address here, copy the address out, take it to any of your exchange and make payment. Remember, you choose TRC20. Remember, you choose USDT TRC20, and this is the amount you have to pay: $1,018.52. You can do maybe 60, or to avoid any decline or any issue. After that is done, immediately the payment is received, the bot would welcome you with a notification. So this is how simple it is to subscribe to the bot. But if you don't have enough money to subscribe to the bot, you can still reach out to us on WhatsApp if there's any way we can help. Then after that is done, here is how to set up the bot. After your license is activated successfully, all what you need to do, come over to your menu icon here, click on your settings, right, and then choose Algobi. On today's section, you will explain how to set up your Algobi and start making some money every day. Click on Algobi. Good. You notice, and if you have not linked your exchange before, here is where to link your exchange. You see, I've already linked my own. I have this, my backtest account. I have $52 on this account. So if you have not yet linked your exchange, all we need to do, just tap on this exchange, right? If you have not linked exchange, it's going to show, it will show none. This place here that show Bybit will show none. Tap on it and then create your API key, send your API, and you also send your secret key. It will automatically connect. If you don't know how to create API key, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp or go check out the video. I explain how to generate your API key. You can see why I'm recording the video. Some position is still closing. Then after you connect successfully, the next step is to come over to your settings and confirm. After you have connected your exchange, your exchange would show, any exchange that you're using will show. After some time, your balance would show. Good. Then if you check the bot here, you notice we have power on. Means turn on the bot. So if you're not yet ready to start trading, you can make sure you turn off the bot first, right? And then this option is where to put your trading volume. Please bear well, we only recommend risking only 1% of your account. So let's go to our ChatGPT. For example, let's say you have $100 on your account, or let's use my own. For example, I have $50. What is 1% of $50? Okay, what's 1% of $50? If you have $100, you can ask what is 1% of $100. If you have 200, what is? You can decide to use from 1% of your account, or you can decide to use 0.5. I strongly recommend using from 1%. If you notice here on my $50 account, 1% of $50 is $0.5. That's why you notice my volume is $0.5. So if, for example, you are trading on a $100 account, for example, let's see, $100 would be 1% of $100 would be $1. So all we need to do, you just tap on this option, size USDT. You tap on it, it would ask you send your preference USDT trade size. You type 1, send it to the bot. You notice immediately you type that, it changed. You can see this, it changed to $1. So which is 1% of your $100. So if you have $200, 1% of $200 is $2. You put $2. If you have $1,000, that's going to be $10. So this is how to set this up. Immediately you are done with this, the next step is to add your trading pair, and you turn on the bot before you add this trading pair. Just turn on the bot. Then the next step is to go to your exchange. We are currently trading with Bybit, and if you are trading with Bybit as well, or any exchange you have, just kindly go to our exchange and look for your trading pair. This is how to look for your trading pair. All right, and all you need to do, come over to your, let's say I'm using Bybit, or you're using Bybit as well. You come over to your market, come over to home. You will see this option here, new gainers. Please be aware, we are currently trading top gainers with this bot. We are using the bot to trade top gainers. It gives us more haste to make more profit within a short period of time. So all we need to do, come over to this top gainers, right? And then you can decide to screenshot it. You can decide to screenshot top gainers. Make sure it's on top gainers. If you notice gainers, okay. You can screenshot it. All right, let's say this particular one here, we can screenshot. Good. All right, if you are using iPhone, you can automatically copy this and paste on the bot. You can copy, you know, on iPhone you can copy something on screenshot, but on Android you can't copy. So if you are using Android, you can quickly use your ChatGPT to copy everything. Let's take this to our ChatGPT, for example. You know, taking this to our ChatGPT and do okay, write out all the trading pairs here for me and add slash to it. Okay, all right, let's see what's gonna happen. It automatically write everything out for you. Yeah, please remove the numbers. Please remove the numbers. Okay, you notice it's write out all the trading pair for you, you know, so you can just copy it. All you need to do, just copy them, just copy, right? Click on select and then you copy all of them. Boom. Okay, I think he's not doing all of them well. You know, just take it to your bot. So let's say you want to add all this pair to the bot, you do it one by one. Do like this. Let's say you want to start with this particular one, you can cut these ones out, send it one by one to the bot. After you send the trading pair to the bot, it will ask you which particular bot you want to add it to. We are currently trading with Algo B. You choose Algo B, all right, and you're gonna show you this added successfully. Sometimes it would give you this warning telling you that on Bybit the minimum volume that is allowed, maybe tokens that already been trading for a long period of time, the minimum volume that's allowed to trade this token is $5.5. But since we are trading top gainers, some tokens we can use even $0.1 to trade. We can use $0.2 to trade. We can use $1 to trade. So all you need to do, just keep adding, right? If this particular one is not working, you move to another one, add this, send it to the what, choose your bot. You notice this particular one is showing USDC. Please do not make such mistake. Everything is USDT. Let's move to the next one again. You know, let's move to the next one, right? You add, boom. Okay, you add this particular one. You don't have to wait, go to another one. You see this particular token WED. Let's confirm from the screenshot if ChatGPT made me say WED. Okay, USDT. Okay, please be aware we are trading only USDT. ChatGPT make mistake here. Make sure it's on USDT/USDT, right? Just send it to the bot, right? Then choose Algo B. Each time you send a new trading pair, you keep choosing your bot Algo B. Do the same thing on this particular one, right? Send it to the bot, right? And this particular one here again, let's do the same thing here. Right, let's do the same thing here. You send it to the bot, boom. Let's do the same thing on this particular one here. You know, this particular token, so this one is not showing USDT, so kindly edit it. It must be USDT, right? Let's see if this is correct. NXPC, okay, it's correct. You send it to the bot, choose good. It shows, you see here, you can see that some of them is adding, some would not work, some would work. So just ignore those one that is not working, you know, just ignore them. USDT, send it to the bot, choose this and this. USDT, send it to the bot, and some it will show you is not available on the exchange. Move to something else. So this is how to add your pair. You can go back to your exchange again and screenshot more position. You can come back again and screenshot more position. Just come back, you know, make sure you are on top gainers like this. Make sure you are on future market. Okay, please make sure you are on future market. Don't make mistake before you capture it. Make sure you are on future market like this. Before you capture, make sure you are on future market like this. You know, switch to top gainers. Then we have spot, we have features. Make sure it's on features. Then we have, you capture all the top gainers. You know, so let's see, after you have added those one, you can come up again and screenshot again. All right, then take it to the bot, take it to your ChatGPT and send the screenshot. You can repeat the same caption. Okay, you can repeat the same caption, it will write it out for you. All right, and if your ChatGPT cannot do this, you can still use DeepSeek. I think ChatGPT you can only send screenshot. You only have access to send 3 screenshots in a day, so you can use DeepSeek to do it. You can use DeepSeek to do it. If you're my student here, you know how to use all these AI tools. All right, so copy this. You see it added USDT to all of them. Take it to your bot, right? You see some of them have been added. You can see this. Some of them have been added successfully. Some will not be able to add. Some do not add. Just paste it, copy out the rest, send it to your bot. Do the same thing till you add up to like 50 pairs. You can decide to add up to 50 pairs. You can add 100 pairs, right? You can add 50 pairs, you can add 100 pairs. Some of them would not trade, some will trade, right? So anyone that is not trading, you ignore. And okay, let's keep adding before we can move to the next thing. Let me finish adding this one. Just keep adding. All right, cut, send it to the bot, choose. All right, then the same thing here. Cut it, send it to the bot. Okay, the same thing here. Then cut, send it to the bot, cut down, send it to the bot, move to the next one, the same thing, cut, send it to the bot, the same thing, cut, move it to the bot, boom, choose this, boom, send it to the bot, alright, and choose. Good. So this is how simple it is to add them successfully. Some of them would add successfully, some of them will give you this notification, some of them will not be able to add because of the volume restriction. Just have to ignore those ones that is not working. After some time you will get this notification. Let's go up here, unable to execute right position. Some of the pair, after adding successfully, it won't still be able to trade on some of those pair. It will send you all these notifications. Ignore them. It doesn't affect anything on your account. Ignore them. Like this particular one here, some of them will trade, some would not trade. So like this particular one, you can see how it's closing on small profit every time. Small profit. See, you can see how it's closing small profit every time. All right, you can see all this, right? You can see like all these ones here is not able to trade on all these particular ones here. You can see the one that's able to trade successfully. All these ones is not able to trade. Just ignore them. This is how simple it is to use the bot to trade any trending token. So any token you hear that is currently trending, or any token that's on top gainers, you can decide to add them, and you can be doing this once in a day. You can be adding more position to the bot every day. Maybe if you do this in the morning and then later tomorrow you come back, you notice we will have more top gainers, right? Just add them. All we need to do after the screenshot, just screenshot them, take it to your ChatGPT if you are using Android phone. But if you are using iPhone, you can just quickly copy them. After the screenshot, just copy paste. This is how simple it is to set up the bot perfectly to start trading any of your favorite trading pair. Then some people would ask, how many positions can I add? Good. You can add up to 20, 50, 100 positions, as long as you are not risking above 1% of your account. If you have to add up to 500 positions, you can decide to be using 0.5% of your account to 1%, right? You can add up to 100 positions, you can add up to 200 positions. Please take note of this. After 24 hours, new tokens would come out on the top gainers. All we need to do is keep adding them. Then after 1 month, you can decide to delete all the pairs and start adding new one. You can just make this as a duty. Every month you delete out everything, right, and add new trading pair. Every month you delete out everything and add new trading pair. And every day you can keep adding position, keep adding every day, keep adding every day, keep adding every day. And then some people would ask, how do I delete my trading pairs if I don't want to trade a particular pair again? This is how to get this done. Just come over to your menu icon here, right? All you need to do, come over to your menu icon here and click on bot instances, right? You see these bot instances, see bot instances, right? You choose Algo B, right? Example, on my end, you notice these are all the pairs I'm trading. These are all the pairs I'm trading, and I'm still adding more positions every day. I currently have, how many positions do I have? This particular backtest account, how many positions do I have? How many pair? 1, 2, 3, 4. You notice I have over 27 trading pairs on this account, and every single day, every single minute is trading, is making some money on this tiny account. The same thing also apply on my big account, which I'm making over $3,000, $4,000 every trading day. After a month, all these tokens here might be on top losers. They might not really have strength to pump again. You can decide to delete all of them. All what you need to do, just come over to your bot instances, as I do before. All right, come over to your bot instances, and then you just tap the bot like this, tap the pair like this, tap on it. You see how I'm tapping it, tick, you click on reply, then you type delete. Good, you send delete. You notice it delayed the trade instance successfully. So you can just do everything. All right, delete everything out. Just do like this, one by one to delete everything out. And then you go to our exchange account, you delete everything out, and then you start adding new trading pair. You can be doing this every month. This is the only thing you are required to do every day if you are trading with the pod. By doing this, you can never miss out on any trending token. Every time a token comes out, you're sure of making some money from the token every day. Trading with Algo Crypto AI agent, and this is how we have been making money with our team members every trading day. All right, if you're new to my channel right now, click on the link below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to join us trade with the pod to buy the license, kindly reach out to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on this video description. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. On my next video, I would explain how our first trading bot works. Then after that particular one, I will explain how we are still making money every trading day, trading manual by ourselves, with DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Please stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. If there's anything you don't understand on the tutorial video, drop it on the comment section. I remain your friend, Ekan the Trader. I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Bye for now. But please, before you go, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.